So this is Sub-Zero fridge and freezer unit. These are what they call a fully integrated unit. So when...
Can you get subs without being fully integrated?
Yes, absolutely. You can get some, you'll still see some like hinge parts and things exposed. These will all end up flush with the face of the cabinets. They'll look just exactly like a cabinet door and drawers below.
Is there any benefit or drawback to having this built this way? Is there, if you get one that isn't built in, are these narrower or is there deeper or anything?
So these are like counter depth, so they are shallower.
Gotcha.
You can, with aesthetics, you can bring your cabinetry out to like a 28 inches or a 30 inches and still get that same look of a flush unit.
Gotcha.
But if you don't have the room to come deeper and you stay your standard 24, you get a counter depth fridge.
Gotcha.
unit.
And this is fridge and freezer, but some
Correct.
people do 2 fridges.
Correct.
Yeah, I think I've seen that too with I think another one had 2 fridges.
Yeah, there's some you can do. You can do fridge upper, freezer drawers below. There are a lot of different combinations.
Gotcha. Love it. Awesome. And this one has double ovens, Wolf ovens, which are fancy.
And these are pretty, no handles, just all design feature. Just a simple
What?
push.
That's awesome.
There you go.
The cool tech.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Maybe if you have a plate of cookies, you can
Yeah.
throw it in there.
I love it. So this, number one, this is ginormous.
Yeah, it is a massive island.
Will you get one slab of stone? This will have to be
This will be multiple slabs.
slabs.
And as we've talked previously, they'll be book matched, so the graining will match all the way through.
All the way through.
Yep.
All the way through. And they'll have a sink in this one.
Yep. Sink here. We have another under counter. This is a set of fridge drawers here.
Oh, so more fridges.
More fridges, more fridge
Wow.
space. Dishwasher and ice maker. And everything will be panel ready, so it'll all look like cabinet drawer fronts.
So is the ice maker in the thing getting more popular, or is that going out? For a minute, you're seeing it a lot.
I think it's more, I would always vote for an ice maker. I love ice, so
Yes.
we're not doing a project hardly without an ice maker.
Without
anymore.
an ice maker. So I always wondered, having it that close to the floor, so is this the pellet ice or is this just normal ice?
Just normal ice.
Normal ice.
Normal ice.
Is this a big upgrade expense, having an ice maker?
This unit is actually like $4,500, so it's a very expensive unit.
But if you're going to do an ice maker in your cabinet, are you expecting it's a pricey little ad?
Yeah, and this will be panel ready as well, so it's going to have a cabinet face on it, so it's just going to blend right into the rest of the cabinetry.
Yeah. So here on this, talk a little bit about hoods. So like this is going to be a hood. Is this vented out of the house? I've always wondered about this. Is this supposed to keep grease down, or is it just for smell and smoke?
Mostly for smell and smoke. So when this is all put together, there'll be a pipe that connects here up to the big 10-inch pipe right there. That actually goes all the way to the outside of the house, and the fan is actually out high on a gable out on the far end of the house, and that's going to help eliminate some of the fan noise that you create when you turn the fan on.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's not right here when you turn it on.
The motor is not right here. The motor is 50 feet away.
Oh, is that something you guys think of before? Is this a big upgrade?
Yeah.
Or is this just like, you could do this, anybody could, you just got to realize you want to put the fan?
Just got to plan ahead for it. Absolutely.
Very smart. And then will this have like a big custom hood over the front?
There'll be cabinetry around it with some metal accents that tie into the same metal that's on the fireplace.
Oh, gotcha.
If you've been thinking about building a custom home, it's never too early to start planning. Even if you're not ready to break ground, now is the time to explore your options and to see if B&B Builders would be the right fit for your project. Give us a call, visit our website, and follow us on social media for more custom home inspiration.